A very good evening to everyone watching this video. I hope I find you in the pink of your health. So today's video is concerned with definition of the word angle and its types. Right. So what is an angle? Basically, an angle is formed when two rays originate from one common point called vertex. Then an angle is formed. It is, in layman's language, a simple two-dimensional geometrical entity which is formed when two rays originate from one common vertex. So this is the definition of word or term angle, right? You already are aware with this term. Just to recapitulate, I just told you the definition, which is given in some standard texts, right? Now coming to types of angles. First comes acute angle. An angle whose value is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle, right? For example, 35 degree, 23 degree, and so on. Now comes right angle. An angle whose measurement is exactly equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. Now comes obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Now, straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. Now comes reflex angle. An angle whose measurement is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Right. Examples of reflex angle: 260 degree, 181 degree, and so on. Right. Now comes complete angle. Well, it is an angle whose measurement is exactly equal to 360 degree is called a complete angle. So these are the types. Now there are some further types as well. Complementary angles. Those angles whose sum measures up to or add up to 90 degree are called supplementary angles, as they supplement each other, as they complement each other, right? So when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. For example, 46 degree and 44 degree, right? They are complementary in nature. Now when the sum of angle is equal to 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles, right? For example, 1 degree and 179 degree, 91 degree and 89 degree, these are pair of supplementary angles, right? So this was all about definition of angle and its types. There are some common terms as well. There are two arms of an angle, one common point of origin that is called from where the two rays originate is called vertex, and degree is the measurement of an angle, right? So I hope I'm clear with all these things. I hope you enjoyed this session with me. I'll be posting a lot more. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.